Well, here's my project that I'm currently working on. This is my 5 rams alarm clock. I oiled the back of the movement, but I hadn't quite touched the front. So here's the front of the 5 rams alarm clock. Ooh, that is that texture there gives me goosebumps. Okay, let me recompose myself. Ugh. There's the back. This was made by the Guangzhou Clock Company. And there is some Chinese text there. Hard to see though. I got all these pivots here at the front when I first took the back cover off, but I never got these pivots oiled. So that's what I'm doing now. There's very few plastic parts. Yeah, there's some plastic gears, and the hour hand, minute hand, second hand shaft are plastic, but oh god, that texture is getting me again. But 3 plastic gears. The movement is riveted into the case though, so that's kind of really annoying. But I think you can actually just unscrew this entire assembly right here from this part of the case. Ugh, this texture, man, I hate it. So everything's been oiled now, and it is good to go. Oh, I just realized one I missed. Okay, so I put gloves on for this. Now the hour hand, the minute hand, and the second hand are back on. There's some scratches here and there. However, there's an outline you can see where I do believe this bezel bit here, which I'm bringing over momentarily, should cover those up with no issue. Yep. No scratches in sight. Except here, maybe. But that's fine. Order of operations is very important, you see. Also, there's a missing screw there. Don't ask, I don't know where it is. Because the legs are supposed to go on here. And, yeah, I hate myself. Anyways, that's taken care of now. So now it sits up on its own. Wait. Very carefully. Now. I thought that said 2. No matter, we'll just set it to 3. Well, it'd be good if I activated the alarm first. Well, that's the end of that now. The next one may be this one. The Seiko Corona Melodia. And this one will one day need a new platform escapement. And these platform escapements for these Vostok submarine clocks are pretty commonly found. So hopefully that will be fixed one day. It's just the balance staff that is completely shot on the balance wheel. Makes the balance wheel wiggle waggle all over the place, and of course that's not good. It keeps time and it ticks. It's just it has a lot of trouble starting After it's been moved, it'll continually stop, but eventually it'll get going. But it is a ticking Russian time bomb, so it'll have to be fixed eventually. And then you can see the inside of this one. I've seen it already, and it's pretty nice. But for now, that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like it, and I'll see you in the next one.